Hello friends, artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is a late publish of some special event that happened in the month of May. But you all know how late I can be in my own videos, like editing and publishing them. Okay, enough. So today's project is again a special one, as it's a wedding anniversary gift from me and hubby to my in-laws. So I took a 6-inch agate coaster mold, some dried rose petals, ashen plum from Color Art Pigments. Let's first start with mixing resin. I have kept 90 grams of resin and hardener, of which 60 grams is resin and 30 grams is hardener. I will mix around 15 grams of color for pouring, quarter of the circle. I selected my in-laws some nice pics from my gallery and got them printed and laminated. First, I will pour the color resin on one side, then some clear resin on the other, likewise until the resin is finished. I will add some rose petals on the clear resin side. Let's add pearls to amplify its beauty. We are done pouring. Now I will add the photo after few hours. It's almost 6 hours since I poured resin first layer. I will place this laminated photo so that it bonds to the first layer. We can do it after 4 hours too, but as I went out after pouring first layer, so I am placing it now. It's the next day. I have mixed around 90 grams more for the second layer. I have written the message off camera to avoid video getting too long. So let's pour the second layer. This is the next day after second layer. Let's demold it. It looks lovely. I will give it a golden border. One mistake I made was I forgot to click its photo after completion, so I cannot share a final result photo today. You can see partial results in the clip where I am drawing the golden borders. So forgetful of me. So, if you liked the creation, please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye.